Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just showing you how I make scrambled eggs. So I start off with a cold pan and add as many eggs as we need. This morning my husband was home, it was a holiday, and I was cooking for him as well as the children. Now when it's just the children, I will also add nutritional yeast, but you'll see I did not add that this time. This recipe is very basic. So I add as many eggs as we need, like I said, and then I add some butter and a splash of milk, also some salt and pepper, and just at that point I turn the heat on and then scramble it around with a spatula until it's done. So at this point, when it's almost all the way done, I will turn off the heat and let the heat of the pan finish cooking the eggs so they don't get overdone. Now, it varies what I serve the eggs with, but on this morning, I topped them with some cheese and served them with some Go-Gurt, and I had banana bread as well that I put on the plates for the kids to keep them full until at least snack time or lunchtime, so my kids get hungry fast. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so already. I really appreciate your support. Thank you guys. Bye.